This is so cute. Hey y'all, it's Victoria Alexandraa here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
What's up, cousin? What's up?
Alright, so today, cousins, I'm gonna be doing a full get ready with me. I'll be showing you guys my makeup and my outfit. I just wanted to take some pictures for content, so I wanted to get ready and just kind of show you guys what I'm going for today and give you a little fall outfit inspo as well. I haven't done a sit down video, even though I'm not sitting down, in a while, or a get ready with me either. So that's what I want to do today. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, y'all, so I did my hair off camera. This is Outre, I don't know how to pronounce it, Seraphine. I'm gonna go with Seraphine because it just sounds better to me. Yeah, so it is synthetic. She was super long, but I cut her because I'm just not a long hair girl anymore. I used to be, but not now. So yeah, once I take these clips down and after I've done my makeup and everything, y'all see how that looks. But yeah, don't mind the lace. I'm gonna work it out. So for makeup, simple, not gonna really talk through it. I'm going to list everything that I use down in the description box because my everyday makeup look hadn't changed, and that's just what I'm going for today. So yeah, before I start, because like I said, I'm not gonna really talk through this part. I did my brows off camera already, and yeah.
A claps. over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Okay, so this is the face, pretty simple. Everything that I did use on my face will be listed in the description box below because I'm sure I didn't show you everything. But yeah, so the hair, just brush it out. Just brush it out. Like I said, this is Outre Seraphine. I don't really like baby hairs with my wigs because I have like a small but big forehead. Like it's not super wide, but it like protrudes. Like, see? So yeah, no baby hairs. Like I said, it was really long. I have a picture of it when it was long, so I'll put it up here on the screen so y'all can see it long. But I cut it short because I'm not really a long hair girl. But yeah, this is the hair and this is the makeup. So okay, cousins, so I have gotten dressed. There will be a video up here so y'all can see the outfit more in detail and full body. I went for a denim on denim little cute moment. I love denim on denim during the fall. Anyway, so the jacket is from Target like 4 years ago. The jeans are from Fashion to Figure. Everything will be linked down below. I have on the Yeezy foam runners in the color vermilion. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Went with my simple gold jewelry. So these 3-ring gold earrings that I got from Walmart, my Vibe Season necklace set with my name in the Old English font and the 1994 in Old English font. My rings, this is from Old Navy. These are from Pretty Little Thing, I believe, these two. And then of course we went with my tortoise print glasses. I just really feel like they kind of balanced the red that's in the outfit, because I two-paired it with this little small square red bag from Shein. So just to kind of balance the red out in the outfit, I decided to go with this tortoise print glasses, which I feel like was so cute and really gives with this outfit. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the fit. I really hope that you guys like it. That is it for today's video. I truly hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about the outfit, and also comment down below like what's your favorite like fashion moment or outfit or style during the fall months. And of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey auntie.
So cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time your big cousin uploads. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
Peace out. Bye. Bye.
south. Can y'all really feel me?